Per Inside EVs, General Motors and Samsung SDI have finalized their joint venture to build a $3.5 billion electric vehicle battery factory in Indiana. Production is set to begin in 2027, a year later than initially expected. The factory will be located on a 680-acre site in New Carlisle and will create over 1,600 new jobs. The facility will produce nickel-cadmium-based high-performance nickel-rich prismatic cells for Ultium-based EVs. Initial capacity will be 27 gigawatt-hours, with a maximum of 36 gigawatt-hours per year. Local government incentives include a 100% tax abatement for 10 years, while GM will pay $4.5 million annually for infrastructure improvements. This will be GM's fourth EV cell factory in the U.S., joining facilities in Ohio, Tennessee, and Michigan. Stellantis also has a joint venture with Samsung SDI for 2 cell gigafactories in Indiana. Once operational, GM's total battery production capacity in the U.S. will reach 140 gigawatt-hours per year. You are listening to Yuan News.